Hello everyone. So in the part 1 we have learnt about how to identify the different shapes with the practical life examples. आपको डेमो देना है, आपको अपनी क्लास प्रिपेयर करना है, या आप एक स्टूडेंट हैं और आपको वीडियो समझना है, तो मेरे वीडियो सारे ही पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ही हेल्पफुल हैं। तो आज है हमारा पार्ट 2 और पार्ट 2 में हम देखने वाले हैं हाउ टू मेक डिफरेंट पिक्चर्स यूजिंग शेप्स। यस, ये पिक्चर्स बहुत ही बेसिक है लेकिन बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली हैं और आपकी क्लास को भी ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने वाली है। तो चलिए जल्दी से शुरू करते हैं वीडियो। मुझे सबसे पहले बनाना है एक ट्री। ओके, मुझे एक ट्री बनाना है, एक पेड़ बनाना है। तो इस पेड़ को मैं बनाऊंगी विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल एंड सर्कल। सो हाउ टू ड्रॉ इट, प्लीज लुक हियर। सो हियर आई एम ड्रॉइंग one rectangle. Okay, now rectangle can be drawn in any direction. Okay, then I am going to draw some circles. Okay, आप इन circles को ऐसे टच करते हुए ड्रॉ करेंगे। ठीक है, ऐसे ही आपको बच्चों को भी बताना है कि वो भी इसी तरीके से ड्रॉ करेंगे। देखिए ये हमारा ड्रॉ हो गया। आफ्टर दिस चाइल्ड हैज टू फिल कलर इन दिस। ओके, बच्चा इसमें कलर फिल कर देगा। Tree. So isn't it easy? Or you can make your class interesting. Yes, it can be done with the help of the colors, or you can take the pieces of the paper, you can cut them in the different shapes, and then you can make the class more interesting by doing the art and craft activity. Now our next picture is going to be of a hut. We are going to make the hut with the help of a square or rectangle and triangle. So let's draw it, how our hut is going to look like. So first we will draw one triangle. It will be the front part of the hut. Then we will draw one square. Okay, then we will draw another square but in this way. Okay, and then we will draw one more square. You can see all the four sides of these squares are equal, and this shape with the three sides is a triangle. Now more what you can do, you can draw the square shaped windows. Yes, you can draw one square shaped door here. Isn't it looking good? After coloring it, it will become more beautiful. The same picture you can draw with the help of the rectangle in place of square. So do you want to draw it? Please draw it now. Okay, so isn't it easy for the students? Yes, it is very easy and it is very interesting to do in the class. Next picture is going to be of a boat. How to draw the boat with the help of a rectangle and triangle. Let's see it. First we will draw one rectangle, one long rectangle. Okay, after that we will draw two triangles here, as you can see. Okay, then we will draw one straight line in the mid of this rectangle. After that I am going to draw one big triangle and then a small triangle. Can you see it? Isn't it beautiful? Yes. So this is my boat. Yes, this is very beautiful. And then you can ask the children to count the triangles and the rectangle. How many triangles are there? How many rectangles are there? So this will become one more activity of your class. Next is a kite. How many of you fly the kite? Very good. Have you made the kite from your own ever? Okay, few have made, few have not. Okay, so today we are going to make the kite in our notebook. Okay, so for making a kite we need 4 triangles, 2 small, 2 big. Okay, so my one triangle is this, then my second triangle is this. These both are the small triangles, and then I am going to draw 2 big triangles. Can you see? Wow. Then one more triangle here, and then the string of the kite. Very nice. And see what else I am going to draw here. More and many more triangles to make the tail of the kite. Wow, it is so beautiful, isn't it? So can you please count how many triangles are there and please let me know fast. Very good. Now the last picture of the day of the video is a star. It is very difficult sometimes for the primary kids to draw the star. So you can make them draw the star with the help of two figures. The first is pentagon and the second is triangle. Now, four basic shapes which children know are the circle, rectangle, square and the triangle. But what is pentagon? So here you have to explain them that pentagon means a figure which is having penta. Penta means 5, which is having the 5 sides. It called a pentagon. Now, how you have to make the pentagon? In the opposite direction. Okay, you have to flip it. So, how it is going to be look like? It will look like in this way. Okay, then on all the sides you have to draw the triangle on it. Okay, so can you see how I am drawing? Isn't it looking very easy to draw? Yes, this is very easy to draw. Okay, and then here my star is complete. Wow, it is looking so beautiful. Yes, and you can make the craft of this also using the thermocol, using the sheets. Okay, so how you find today's video? Isn't it good, creative and interesting? If you have also found it the same, please do the comment and let me know. And in the future also you want the same creative, innovative and interesting videos. So please let me know by commenting, by liking, by sharing and by subscribing my channel and video. That is Raksha's English Club. Thank you.